a plane that I'm gonna see if I can find on flight radar after and tell you if I can. Looks like a 737. Maybe a 767 or 57, I don't know. Whatever. There it is. Don't know what that plane is. Looks like a Boeing 737 or 67. Probably WestJet. I might be able to see. Okay, so I'm trying to plane spot. There should be somewhere over there a United Express, like Embraer plane. Should be heading somewhere. I don't know. I'll check the flight radar after. I don't know if I'll see it though. It's so bright over there. I don't know. There's an Embraer or United Express somewhere over there. Embraer plane. There it is. There it is. You see? I don't know if we can see it, but it is. I'm trying to see if I can get a good shot. It's an Embraer, I think 175. I don't know. I'll check after and put that up on words. It's a United Express plane. Where is it? There it is. See? There. Yeah, that thing flying. I'm plane spotting, I guess. Got some other clips too. So that's a pretty interesting plane catch, I think. I don't know. I don't plane spot. I rail fan, so I still just like to take videos of vehicles because planes are my second favorite after trains. Whatever, that's it. I'll put the caption up. That looks like a Boeing 737, or it might be bigger. Still, plane spotting, I guess. That's a nice plane. I'll look on flight radar. Don't know what that one is. I'll look on flight radar. It's very bright, so I'm not gonna have a good angle. That's a WestJet, I think Boeing 737. I'll go check on flight radar. That's a very clear view though. I'm doing like a plane spotting compilation. That plane right there is, I'll check on flight radar, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We got another one in the past like 5 minutes. I'll check on flight radar what plane. One wing on it is very shiny though, which is weird because it's not the other wing either. I'll check. It's gonna be flying right over me. Shiny. By the way, I'm not by a big airport either. These are most likely all heading to Calgary though. I know it's gonna be blurry. So WestJet Boeing 737 MAX 8, Liberia, oh it's shiny, Costa Rica to Calgary, Alberta, Canada. There it is. That came all the way from Costa Rica. That's interesting, I guess. Double blade meat.